Hi guys, so this video serves to tell you about our final essay project prompt. So as you'll notice at the top are some due dates: the prospectus Saturday, November 21st, the outline Saturday, December 5th, and the final essay the 14th. So the prospectus is just another word for a proposal slash kind of a pre-outline, and there'll be a separate video to tell you all about that next week. And then the same thing with the outline, there'll be a separate video to tell you about that as well. So we're going to do this paper in a few stages. So for the paper itself, you will construct a 7 to 10 page argumentative paper on any topic of gender we have covered in class. Your paper will include a concise thesis statement in the introduction, and it will incorporate at least one article discussed in class, in addition to at least 3 scholarly sources. You will want to avoid committing logical fallacies, to integrate evidence effectively, and to support your argument with sound reasoning. You are required to include a counter-argument for this assignment, and you must use a source for evidence in this paragraph. So, a few things here. It's 7 to 10 pages, and there's a minimum of 4 sources required. Minimum of 4, okay? At least one article discussed in class, which means the ones on your course schedule. In addition to at least 3 scholarly. These are outside class. These are ones that you will have to find. Now, I've created a second video for this week that you will need to watch. It will show you some resources that you can use for your paper, which are on Blackboard, and also I demonstrate how to use the library source, the Cuyamaca Library website. So you will want to watch that video as well. So again, at least one article from our syllabus, and then at least 3 scholarly sources or outside sources that you'll have to find on your own. That's the minimum. You can do as many as you'd like, but that is the minimum. So here is a list of approved gender topics for this assignment. You must choose from the list or find another topic in the class readings that is not listed here. Regardless, your topic must come from the assigned reading. One useful way to come up with a thesis is to ask yourself an opinionated critical question, just like we did in the last paper, about one of these topics. Your answer to this question will then be your thesis. For example, a question could be, who makes better homemakers, men or women? The answer could be, men make better homemakers than women because they are strong enough to carry multiple items at once, they are handy around the house, and they are effective disciplinarians. Of course, you cannot use that thesis as your own. Okay, so here is a list of topics, and now what I'm going to do is highlight each and tell you which author these topics correspond to. So for example, these ones here are all DeVore, okay? So all of the ones up to here go with the DeVore reading, okay? Everything from here to here is Kimmel. Okay, so everything from here to here is Kimmel. Okay, notice they go in order of our schedule too. Okay, this is going to be Morgan, these 2 here. Then everything from here, these 2 actually are going to be Rosen. And then the rest are going to be Kilborn. Okay? So those are the topics that corresponds to our readings. So you'll see here, if you choose, say for example, this one, then your in-class source will probably be DeVore. Okay, if you choose this one, then most likely your in-class article will be Kimmel, right? So the topics correspond to the in-class article that you'll probably choose as your in-class source. So it's just like the literature paper where you come up with a critical question and answer it. And I like to do this because it helps you come up with an argument. So again, a critical question and you're answering it in a thesis statement. Again, the second video will show you some resources that are available to you on Blackboard, such as sample essays and everything you really need. But as always, you can always email me with any questions or post to the discussion board.